I wanted to fold up and stop. I didn't want to think anymore.
I want to fix this.
I know, but you can't.
Sorry. There are people here with real problems.
Just like you.
Yeah, just like me. I don't expect you guys to understand. You don't know me.
I mean, nothing about us feels right anymore.
How do you keep going when the worst thing has happened? I'm done. I've had enough.
I can read your foolish mind. Going dark from time to time. See the writing on the wall. We can't be safe, we knew it after all. Oh, how's my heart supposed to be? How's my heart supposed to be? How's my heart supposed to